We are now going to rough out the part using a surface rough pocket. A surface rough pocket toolpath is used to remove a lot of stock quickly by creating a series of planar cuts. It is used to machine both bosses or cavities on surfaces or solid models. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths. Scroll down and select Surface Rough here, and scroll down to Pocket here. Once you have this, Mastercam will ask you to insert a new NC name. I'm going to leave mine as tutorial number 1 or the default, and select OK. Come over to the right hand side and select QM Surfaces, or this icon here. Once you have this, select Enter. Make sure that you change your containment boundary to be this chain here. Select OK when done, and select OK again. In the toolpath parameters, go to Select Library Tool and turn off Filter Active. Here we will grab tool number 338. So scroll down and find 338. Or this tool here, the 3/8 bull end mill, and select OK. Once you have this, insert the comment, rough out the pocket. From here you will be able to update any feed rate, spindle speed, plunge rate, or any of the parameters here. Come up to the top and select your tool, right click, and go to Feed Speed Calculator, and make any adjustments here if need be. I'm going to make my material carbonide and select OK. Once this is done, we will come up to the top and select Surface Parameters. Here we will turn on the clearance and make it an absolute value of 2. The retract will be an absolute value of 0.25. The feed plane will be an incremental value of 0.1. Stock to leave on drive will be 0.03. And we will then go to rough parameters. In rough parameters, we're going to leave the tolerance at 0.01, and we're going to make sure that the entry options and entry helix is turned on. Once we have it turned on, select it. We're going to change the maximum radius from 100 to 50 and hit enter on our keyboard. Once this is done, select OK to exit this dialog box and go to Pocket Parameters. In Pocket Parameters, we will choose True Spiral, and we will make sure that the step over percentage is 55. Once this is done, select OK. Your toolpath should be generated here. Come over to the side and run your backplot and verify. Select the play button. In the backplot, your toolpath should look like this. I'm going to turn off my vectors so you can see it a little bit clearer. Once you have this, come back to the home page and go to Verify. In the View tab, isometric and fit to your screen so you can see it a little bit better. Select the play button. If that went too quickly, you can always adjust your speed here at the bottom. I want to see the beginning of my toolpath being done, so I'm going to slow down the speed and start over. As you can see, there was a bunch of air cuts before the part actually plunged into the tool. So with that being said, I'm going to close this parameter here. I'm going to come back to my parameters here, and I'm going to go to rough parameters here. When I'm in here, I'm going to come down to the bottom and select cut depths. Here I will turn on absolute and make the minimum depth at -0.1, and I'm going to make the maximum depth at -0.75. and I'm also going to adjust for stock to leave on drive surface. Once this is done, I'm going to select OK, and OK again. I'm going to regenerate my dirty operation and run my verify again. I'm going to see if it does the error cutting. As you can see, my tool plunges right into the stock, which is what I told it to do. Your part should look as shown. Come up to the top and close the menu. Come over to the left-hand side and toggle your toolpath display.